रणवीर सिंह भवनानी एक सुपरस्टार रणवीर सिंह कैसे बना? इस इंडस्ट्री में आपका सफर कैसा रहा?
बस यार मैं इनकी फिल्में देखकर बड़ा हुआ, सोचा हो एक दिन मैं भी बड़ा हो गया आमिर खान बनूंगा, बस बन गया मैं एक्टर। मैंने तो मतलब आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनी फिल्म ऑफ सर्स दैट आई हैव नॉट वॉच्ड from the early days when he used to only be playing a romantic chocolate boy heartthrob, तब से लेके now महावीर पोगट in दंगल। क्या मूछें आपकी सर, आहा हा हा। I don't think anybody is prepared for what is coming. Dangal, sir, I am really looking forward to what a wonderful story and the way you approached this role, sir, with your physical transformation and everything. Really a story worth telling, and I'm really, really looking forward to that film, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Fingers crossed. Let's hope it goes well. We're trying our best. But let me ask you a question, Ranveer. A question I think a lot of people want to ask you is where do you get this immense energy from?
You know, I don't, I think it's a very deeply ingrained, maybe life philosophy in me, sir, that I feel like every day is my last. Like I have so much to do and just time is just running out. Also, I consider myself unbelievably lucky to have the opportunity to do what I love to do. Like the message in Three Idiots, sir. Such few people actually do what they love to do, and I'm blessed enough to have that opportunity. So I feel if I was just a little kid sitting watching movies thinking, yaar, main bhi Amitabh Bachchan banunga, yaar, main bhi Amir Khan banunga, and I actually get a chance to be a mainstream Hindi film hero. So I feel like every day of shoot is like my first day of shoot or my last day of shoot. If I'm here today, I feel I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Does anybody know what's going to happen tomorrow? I don't know what will happen in my life. So if I'm here, I want to make the most of this moment. If I'm here at this event, I want to make the most of it. If it's a movie, I want to, it is like my first movie or it could be my last movie. I just feel like every day of my life is important and I just want to live it to the fullest. So मैं सब डाल देता हूँ.
रणवीर, one thing everybody prominently notices about you is कि आप बहुत unconventional हो. जो आप रोल्स करते हो, जिस तरह से उसे निभाते हो, आपके कपड़े, आपका स्टाइल, तो मतलब ये थोड़ा डेयरिंग भी है, थोड़ा रिस्की भी है. तो ये स्ट्रेंथ कहाँ से मिलती है आपको ये रिस्क उठाने की?
वो पैदा होते ही मेरा सर लग गया था कहीं. तो मुझे खुद नहीं पता यार. I think when it comes to, you know, a lot of people talk about the personal style and how it's unconventional, quirky, edgy and all. These are just tags that are attached. But to be honest with you, sir, and all of you here, I just express myself without any filters. And I, you know, liberate myself from the fear of being judged, you know. And
How nice.
And I express myself openly, honestly, and things just fall into place from there.
Tell us a bit about your childhood here. I don't know much about your past.
So I
Where
was
you
a
grew up
filmy
and-
bacha,
Tell me about your family.
born and raised in Wandre. Near Bandra station, sir. Pankhawadi ke ekdam side mein. Business family, sir. I was just fascinated with Hindi films. Grew up watching your films, a lot of our industry seniors. I just grew up watching Mr. Bachchan, Govinda Saab, Anil Kapoor Saab. You know, all of these people on my screen. I was just, the most fascinating thing for me used to be Hindi movies. And as far back as I can remember, that's the only thing I ever wanted to be, sir.
So did you train to be an actor or no?
I tried, sir, in my teens. I used to always participate in debates, dramas, elocutions, which I think all youngsters who have that, you know, they feel connected. They have a genuine feeling towards the performing arts. Like in Tare Zameen Par, sir, I keep making these references to messages that your films have put out there, that parents should, if a child is inclined towards the arts, let him do that. And I am very lucky to have the parents that supported me and encouraged me every step of the way, sir. And that's the reason I was able to pursue this dream of mine. That's the only thing I ever wanted to be. I wanted to entertain people, dance for them, make them smile, make them laugh, and be a part of films. And to be honest, sir, and you must hear this, sir. You must hear this. I really hope to be like you someday, sir.
You don't have to. You're doing fine on the way
no,
you
no,
are.
and by that I mean this, that something happened around the year 2000, and the kinds of films that Mr. Amir Khan was putting out were not only immensely, hugely entertaining and big hits, all of them, but they always had embedded in them a message, and somehow acted as a catalyst for social change. It happened very significantly when in the year that Dil Chahta Hai and Lagaan came out together, changed the landscape of Hindi cinema. Came Rang De Basanti, which galvanized the youth into feeling a sense of national pride and giving them a sense of patriotism and identity. Tare Zameen Par changed my life, sir. I happened to see that film with my father. And believe you me, our relationship changed after that shared experience. Because I was in the situation, sir, I was, from a business family, not wanting to follow the family business, wanting to, become an artist. And that really went a long way, sir. It really, really went a long way. And then, of course, Three Idiots, which has the message that I keep telling people when I meet them, if children, if you do what you love, Shankar sir, you can back me up on this. If you do what you love and you love what you do, you'll always do your best.
Well, you're doing great, Ranveer, and we all look forward to the amazing work that we are hoping to see from you in the years to come. And may you go from strength to strength.
You're done. आपकी और तारीफ नहीं करूं सर.
चलिए मैं आपकी कर देती हूँ. अभी आपने बोला कि आप बैंड्रा बॉय हो, तो वहाँ से डूइंग अ रोल लाइक बाजीराव, जो एक महाराष्ट्रन वॉरियर कैरेक्टर है, हिस्टोरिक महाराष्ट्रन वॉरियर कैरेक्टर, स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम द हार्ट ऑफ पुणे. हाऊ डिफिकल्ट वॉज इट? मराठी बोलायला तुला कसं काय जमलं?
Whenever I meet my Maharashtrian friends, they're like, "Yaar, wo तूने बोला ना, we loved it." I was like, "कौन सा?" "चला, साताऱ्याला." A lot of people come back with that feedback, that I am a Maharashtrian, and they get very excited. I am a Maharashtrian, and man, that accent was bang on.
It was.
So today here on this platform, I'll tell you the secret. Should I, sir? बनता है ना?
Always.
So, I used to YouTube political speeches of Maharashtrian leaders speaking in Hindi. And I used to have it on them in my headphones, and I used to do cardio while listening to it. So you can imagine me, and I used to repeat after them. मतलब ये चल रहा है कान में और मैं ट्रेडमिल पे हूँ. नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. सामने वाला ये क्या हो रहा है? So I used to YouTube and listen to them, repeat after them, until I figured out the recurring traits of the Maharashtrian delivery when spoken in Hindi. So that was one big talking point that came out of the film that Amir Khan has not yet seen.
सबर का फल मीठा होता है.
Hey.